Good morning. Someone is sleepy right now. I got a bunch of packages. I got a bunch of packages yesterday, and a lot of really exciting things that I want to add in my smart home at the Lemon home today. But before we install all this stuff, we gotta buy one thing in order to install this. You'll see. Welcome to another episode of Inside the Ecosystem. So according to my countdown app, there's still 59 days left for Christmas. But I think it makes sense to get what we're about to get. Maybe. Maybe not.
Ferns uncurling, every living thing. Be to me a mother, both hands on the wheel. Show me faded color, fields of chemistry.
I was about to open the camera and tell you, I wonder if there's anything Christmas related. All of this is Christmas trees and Christmas ornaments. It's October 27th and everything's already full of Christmas stuff. So. Yes, we came here to buy a Christmas tree because we've got a bunch of smart lights that we have to put on. So Tania has created a Pinterest board with all of her Christmas decoration inspiration to see what we exactly have to get. But good news, we found a Christmas tree for our crazy Christmas lights. There it is. So yeah, we got it. Christmas tree secured.
We are the fortunate ones, all us daughters and sons, everyone still here, and that's something.
Thought I broke the camera. Robert says he's on his way. He's coming home to help me install all the lights. Apart from the Christmas lights, as I showed you, there's a bunch of stuff and a bunch of lights that I want to add to the home to make it have like the Christmas, the smart home Christmas feeling. Dropping the package quick at home.
I look for a face that I can't seem to find.
27th of October, and Chenia has just updated to iOS 17.
That's me.
I don't know if this is something to get mad about, but yeah,
No, it's not. It's not.
Waking with no.
We're on our way to our favorite restaurant. I am very hungry. I would like some sushi, please.
The way I see your soul.
Can you see me?
All the colors, all the feelings.
Okay, we just had the coffee. It was really good. We're gonna go install the smart lights now. We've got a bunch of smart lights from Govee to actually check out. I'm extremely excited, including that smart Christmas tree. I honestly think we're gonna have the best looking Christmas tree in the world. Okay, we've got a bunch of stuff from Govee to unbox. Robert right now has the Govee curtain lights. You basically put these in your curtains. I've got to unbox the Govee Christmas lights. Merry Christmas. We've also got a Govee LED light strip. Look how many lights there are. There's so many. As I said, we're first installing these curtain lights. It's actually the first time that I've ever seen these curtain lights. It's super cool because you can actually draw certain things. Basically peeling the stickers now and just gluing it in the wall. I honestly wonder what my neighbors will think. I honestly think they're gonna think that, you know, I'm their coolest neighbor ever because, I mean, who's got curtain like we basically strap all of them over here. Alright, right, they're officially plugged in. Walk it, come on, look, look, look. So one of the coolest features about this is that you can actually draw a drawing, and you can actually, you know, the lights will actually show your drawing. Doing kind of, I don't know what that is, but it's doing it there. Look at this, it detects the sound. Damn! Es wel heavy. This next product that we have to check out, we don't have to install it, and here's why. And that's because if we actually unbox it, it's totally empty, because I've actually been using this, I'd say for like the past 5 months, and I'm not exaggerating right now. You listen to me? I've got over 20 to 30 products in my smart home, but my favorite smart home product of all time, and that's a big statement, is this guy right here. It's basically an LED light strip connected to this Govee camera. And this scene right here, look how the color actually changes. Are you ready? It's actually like splashing. You ready? 3, 2, 1, boom! Look how that glows. I'm telling you, I've got so many smart home products, but enjoying a movie with max volume with my 2 HomePods and with the Govee Backlight. I actually had the previous generation and it was quite awesome, but the T2, the new generation of Govee, has absolutely blown my mind. You know, I usually test out a bunch of smart home products and then I use them for a couple times and then I switch certain things. This is staying and will ever stay in my smart home. I'm sorry about the excitement, but it's so true. I'm obsessed with this guy. While we unbox the Christmas tree, I actually just got something in the mail. By the way, Disney did not send this to me, so Disney, if you wanna, you know, collab or something, you know, I wouldn't mind receiving all of them. Roll it up. Alright, so the Christmas tree is officially done. Let's turn on the lights. 3, 2, 1, and boom! Alright, so within the Govee app, there is so much that you can do. First off, obviously you can change the color. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, lighter blue, purple, white, super warm. There's also a music button.
Now playing All I Want for Christmas, techno version. And
techno version? What is this song? What is that song? And this is probably my favorite part about the app, the scenes. There are so many scenes that you can choose from. Some of them are slower, some of them are dramatic. Look at that one, it basically like rolls up. That's pretty fun. This one's called Disco. It's basically like a Christmas tree on steroids. I think I'm gonna keep this one. You can obviously also change the brightness of it. And the Govee app itself is also really easy to use. You've also got a bunch of different things, right? From effect labs, timers, so if you actually want the Christmas lights to actually turn off in a specific timer, the brightness, and all the different modes that I was telling you about, from music, scenes, DIY, and everything. And all the lights are actually fully customizable, so you can actually customize a couple of them to be a certain color, and then the rest of them to be a different color. I mean, the customization gets crazy. You know those viral videos of 2 stupid guys just trying to fix something on their TV, and their 75-inch 4K TV breaking? I mean, I don't want to jinx it, but I'm honestly quite scared. He did it. I mean, it was fairly easy, right? Yeah. I think the Govee app, I mean, you know, HomeKit itself is awesome, but Govee actually has its ecosystem by itself. I mean, just the camera controlling all the lights in my living room. I mean, just look at this. So these lights are controlling that. As you can see, the colors are exactly the same and are changing live depending on the scene of the movie. You gotta get the lights, the Govee lights for your kids.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay, today's a special night because today's actually the start of Feiras da Girona. That's what it's called.
Yeah.
It's basically like the start of winter. Basically the park that I always walk our dogs. There's basically a massive fair with a bunch of food. It's basically like an amusement park, but it's the whole city's literally there. Like there's gonna be so many people, and that's like the start of the winter. So. They're super popular. The chestnut, I think they're called chestnuts in English. They're so good and so typical at this season. Look at this. iPhone 10s and Apple Watch. I doubt that's real. Playing the horse game. You gotta throw the balls and it's gotta dance. And see who wins. I'm so obsessed with corn. It's like a tradition every single year. Okay, here's our real tradition. You basically gotta throw the arrows and they gotta land exactly. You ready? You ready? I'm gonna make it now. Ready? Oh no! I got it! Dude, I promise I've been playing this for like the past 10 years. It's the first time I've ever made it.